I am Chaya.
I am Vandana.
I am Padma.
We are students of Pal Valley English High School. We are studying in 9th standard. We are going to reveal few general knowledge concepts about India.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri Varahagiri Venkatagiri, Fakruddin Muhammad, Basappa Danappa Jatti, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Zoyal Singh, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
Fundamental duties. Fundamental duties: to respect the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, to follow the noble ideals that inspired our national struggle for freedom, to protect the integrity of India, to defend the motherland when called upon to do so, to promote the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, to preserve our rich heritage, to protect and improve the natural environment, to safeguard the public property and to abstain violence, to steer towards excellence in all the spheres of individual and collective activities. The parents or the guardians should provide an opportunity to their children for education between 6 and 14 years.
States and capitals with their official languages.
States and capitals with their official languages: Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Telugu; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, English; Assam, Dispur, Assamese; Bihar, Patna, Hindi; Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Chhattisgarhi; Goa, Panaji, Konkani; Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Gujarati; Haryana, Chandigarh, Haryani; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Hindi; Jharkhand, Ranchi, Hindi; Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kannada; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Malayalam; Maharashtra, Mumbai, Marathi; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Hindi; Manipur, Impal, Manipuri; Meghalaya, Shillong, English; Mizoram, Aizawl, Mizo; Nagaland, Kohima, English; Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Oriya; Punjab, Chandigarh, Punjabi; Rajasthan, Jaipur, Hindi; Sikkim, Gangtok, Nepali; Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tamil; Telangana, Hyderabad, Telugu; Urdu; Tripura, Agartala, Bengali; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Hindi; Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Hindi; West Bengal, Kolkata, Bengali.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Srimati Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Vedas.
Vedas: there are 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda.
Jnanapita winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita winners from Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dara Beze, Shivaram Karad, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, Vikru Goka, Q.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Continents.
Continents: there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Union territories.
Union territories: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Bills, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Daman; Lakshadweep, Kavarti, NCT of Delhi, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar summer, Jammu winter, Ladakh play.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Neighboring countries of India.
Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives.
Solar systems.
Solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Religions and their holy books.
Religions and their holy books: Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita; Islam, Quran; Christianity, Bible; Judaism, the Hebrew Bible; Buddhism, Tripitakas; Jainism, Agam Sutra; Sikhism, Guru Granth Sahib.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts of Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Belagavi, Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Bidar, Bijapur, Chamarajnagara, Chikkaballapura, Chikkamangaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Gulbarga, Hassan, Haveri, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Raichur, Ramnagara, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
Oceans.
Oceans: there are 5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Body system.
Nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, reproductive system, immune system, muscular system, skeleton system.
Dashawataras.
Dashavatala of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
National symbol. National of anthem.
Janaganamana.
Father of nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital.
National flag.
Trivanga.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin brinjal.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
Saffron, white, green.
Religions and their reformers.
Religious and their reformers. Brahma Samaj established by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Pratana Samaj established by Mahadev Govinda Ranade. Satyashodak Samaj established by Mahatma Jyotibai Phule. Arya Samaj established by Dayananda Saraswati.
Borders of India.
Borders of India, North Himalaya, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Living requirements.
Water, shelter, energy, living space forms, nutrients, oxygen.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: City of Joy, Black City, Blue City, Pink City, White City, Diamond City, Garden City.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Gomateshwara, Karnataka; Hampi, Karnataka; Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh; Gonakan Sun Temple, Orissa; Golden Temple, Punjab; Nalanda University, Bihar; Taj Mahal, Agra.
Elements and their symbols.
Elements and symbols and their atomic number. Atomic number 1 hydrogen H. Atomic number 2 helium He. Atomic number 3 lithium Li. Atomic number 4 beryllium Be. Atomic number 5 boron B. Atomic number 6 carbon C. Atomic number 7 nitrogen N. Atomic number 8 oxygen O. Atomic number 9 fluorine F. Atomic number 10 neon Ne. Atomic number 11 sodium Na. Atomic number 12 magnesium Mg. Atomic number 13 aluminium Al. Atomic number 14 silicon Si. Atomic number 15 phosphorus P. Atomic number 16 sulfur S. Atomic number 17 chlorine Cl. Atomic number 18 argon Ar. Atomic number 19 potassium K. Atomic number 20 calcium Ca. Atomic number 21 scandium Sc. Atomic number 22 titanium Ti. Atomic number 23 vanadium V. Atomic number 24 chromium Cr. Atomic number 25 manganese Mn. Atomic number 26 cobalt Co. Atomic number 27 nickel Ni. Atomic number 28 iron Fe. Atomic number 29 copper Cu. Atomic number 30 zinc Zn.
Time measurements.
1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 1 day 24 hours. 1 week 7 days. 1 month 4 weeks. 1 month 30 or 31 days. 1 year 365 days. Leap year 366 days.
Epic of India.
Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Religions of India.
Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Judaism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism.
National festivals.
Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, Children's Day.
Traffic signal.
Stop, give way, no right, left turn, no right turn. Speed limit, left turn, right turn. Narrow bridge, straight way. Traffic signals: green light start, red light stop, yellow light go.
Agriculture crops of India.
Agriculture crops of India: rice, cotton, coffee, tea, milk, potato, tomato, banana, mango, tomato, potato, groundnuts, okara.
Abbreviations.
Abbreviations: SSLC, Secondary School Leaving Certificate; PUC, Pre-University Course; BA, Bachelor of Arts; BCom, Bachelor of Commerce; BSc, Bachelor of Science; MA, Master of Arts; MCom, Master of Commerce; MSc, Master of Science;
M.Ed Master of Education, B.Ed Bachelor of Education, IAS Indian Administrative Service, IPS Indian Police Service, WHO World Health Organization, RBI Reserve Bank of India, ATM Automated Teller Machine, PIN Postal Index Number, PIN Personal Identification Number, ATM, SIM Subscriber Identity Module, SMS Short Message Service, NGO Non-Government Organization, PM Prime Meridium, AM Anti-Meridium, PM Prime Minister, CM Chief Minister, LPG Liquefied Petroleum Gas, MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, LKG Lower Kindergarten, UKG Upper Kindergarten.
Indian festivals.
Ganesha Chaturthi, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Christmas, Deepavali.